Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyajoti Online Classes, Class 9, Chapter 6, Prose My Childhood. This is the autobiography of Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam, from his book Wings of Fire. And here he speaks about his childhood. He was a great scientist. He was a good orator, good motivational speaker. Also, he was the president in the year 2002 in our India. So he has the many talents and is a genius person, and because of him, we are very much proud of him for his science, for his politics, and for his keen and love of the children and everything else. Okay, student, we start our chapter. In this chapter, let's start paragraph number 1. And here, what in his childhood, what he faced, he described very beautifully. My childhood is Abdul Kalam's childhood. Okay, I was born into a middle class Tamil family in the island town of Rameswaram. Yeah, Rameswaram is the town of Abdul Kalam, and he was born in Tamil family. Okay, in the erstwhile Madras state. Erstwhile means former Madras, nowadays Chennai. Okay, my father Jainalabdin, Jainalabdin, his father's name, had neither much formal education nor much wealth. Means medium. Yeah. So despite their these disadvantages, he was not more rich and not more knowledge. Yeah. These are the problems they had. He possessed the great innate wisdom. Innate means inborn quality, inborn knowledge. What? And the true generosity of spirit. Generosity of spirit means giving kindness, kind character. Okay. He had an ideal helpmate in my mother, Asima. Asima was also a kind lady. He tells that how generous. Let's discuss. I do not recall the exact number of people he fed every day. Oh, कितना खिलाती थी. How serving hand. Let's see. But I am quite certain that far more outsiders ate with us than all the members of our own family put together. Means घर में जितने खाते थे outsiders, more than outsider, he served. She served. In this lesson, we can say she was a serving lady. Very nice. I was one of my children, of many children. Means in Abdul Kalam's family, many siblings and brother and sister. A short boy with rather undistinguished looks. Short boy means not heighted one. Abdul Kalam was not smart. Undistinguished looks means unknown or not smart look. Born to tall and handsome parents. Parents were nice, good looking, but Abdul Kalam was, as compared to them, he was not so smart as them. Okay. We lived in our ancestors' house, means parental forefathers. They have made this house and they were living in that house, which was built in the middle of the 19th century, means 1850, the 19th century. That building was very old building. Okay. It was a fairly large pakka house. That means good house. Okay, made of limestone and brick. Yeah, this house was from built of limestone and brick on the Mock Street of Rameswaram. रामेश्वरम का मस्क्यू जाने वाला स्ट्रीट में वो घर था. My austere father, austere means simple or strict, severe, serious father. Okay, was used to avoid all inessential comforts and luxuries. His father was a serious father. He did not like luxurious and these comforts and entertainment. He was very disciplined person. Yeah. So this thing influenced Abdul Kalam. However, all necessities were provided for in terms of food, medicine, clothes, everything father supplied. That means his father was a good father. Okay. In fact, I would say mine was very secure childhood. Means good parents, good family, good reputation, good childhood. Okay, both materially and emotionally. Materially means father provided food, shelter, and cloth. Good father. Emotionally means good moral teaching, good character. He got good message from their parent. Okay, nice. Part number 3, paragraph 3. Let's see. The Second World War broke out in the year 1939. No, 1939 till 1945. This is the time of Second World War. At the time of what the situation in India, he describes here. When I was just 8 years old, अब्दुल कलाम सिर्फ 8 साल का ही था. Yeah, for reasons I have never been able to understand a sudden demand of tamarind seeds. tamarind इमली, क्यों tamarind इमली का जो सीड है उसका रेट बढ़ गया मुझे पता नहीं. Abdul Kalam did not know. As a sudden demand for tamarind seeds erupted means burst into the market means more demanded. I used to collect the seeds because good demand, good sell business. So Abdul Kalam started collecting this tamarind seed, okay, and sell them to a provision shop, grocery कोई दुकान में बेचना शुरू किए on Mock Street. A day's collection would fetch me the princely sum of an anna. Princely sum means generous amount, sufficient amount that I earn. This was sufficient amount to enjoy the life. Okay, anna. That at the time there was anna was just like 4 anni, 8 anni, anna. But nowadays no anna but rupeya. Okay. My brother-in-law Jalaluddin would tell me stories about the war. Yeah, about the war, the Second World War. उसके brother-in-law spoke about the war. Yeah, which I would later attempt to trace in the headlines in Dinamani. That war news also in the newspaper. It flashed. Yes, student. Do you know now the modern technology in the television, mobile, you can get the news and everything. At the time only the newspaper was. Yeah, our area being isolated means separate from other place, was completely unaffected by the war. Means this area, that area, no harm because very different from the European country. That's why we are in the good place. Yeah, but soon India was forced to join the Allied forces. Do you know Allied forces? UK, USA, and USSR, Russia. These are the countries they have the Allied power. In the history you have studied, the world was divided into two powers: Axis power, like Germany by the leader, Japan, etc. When Allied power, like this country, they have the two world power, and there was the World War begun in the year 1939. Yes, you all know. So Allied power forces and something like a state of emergency was declared. Yeah, in the time of war, the emergency time, that rule, maybe the presidential rule, maybe the strict rule that comes. The first casualty came. Casualty means change in nature came in the form of suspicion of the train halt at Rameswaram station. Suspicion is doubt of halt. कि वहाँ पर रामेश्वरम स्टेशन में गाड़ी रुकने का एक डाउट हो गया. Yeah, the newspaper now had to be bundled and thrown out from the moving train on the Rameswaram road between Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi. बीच में ट्रेन नहीं रुका because of war and disturbance. तो न्यूज़पेपर को ट्रेन नहीं रुका तो वहाँ चलते हुए ट्रेन से भी न्यूज़पेपर को फेंके. So this was the critical time in the time of Second World War. It's okay. So then after that forced my cousin Samsuddin, one of the brother, Samsuddin, who distributed newspapers in Rameswaram, to look for a helping hand to catch the bundles, and that's why his cousin brother Samsuddin needed help, and Abdul Kalam also helped him, yeah, to collect this bundle of newspaper. And as if naturally, I filled the slot, means I filled the gap, I did the work, that means Samsuddin helped me earn my first wages. Samsuddin, because Abdul Kalam did this job, Samsuddin, his cousin, gave him the first salary, first wages. Abdul Kalam was happy to get first salary. Yeah. Samsuddin helped me on my first wages. Half a century later, means 50 years later, yeah, 20th century, I can still feel the surge of pride. Surge means immense increase of pride in earning my own money for the first time. Maybe the child, at the age of child, at the age of 8, Abdul Kalam collect earn money by his own hard labor. That's a pride. कि अपना मेहनत में खुद पैसा कमाए. पापा मम्मी के तो सब दे रहे हैं, खाना पीना पैसा सब कुछ दे रहे हैं, खुद कमा के कुछ अगर पैसा पाते हैं, इट्स ग्रेट लॉक. So that's why Abdul Kalam was too much happy, too much pride in earning my own money for the first time. Okay, 4 number paragraph. Every child is born with some inherited characteristics. So student, this line very important. स्टूडेंट आप जो पैदा हुए हो एक क्वालिटी लेके पैदा हुए हो, इसलिए कुछ दुख नहीं होना चाहिए। आप में जो क्वालिटी है शायद गॉड गिवन गिफ्ट है, जो कि उसका लेके आपको जीवन को चलाना है। अब्दुल कलाम से दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लाइन, इनहेरिटेड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मीन्स इनबॉर्न क्वालिटीज into specific socio-economic, socio means society, economy is earning money, and emotional environment. In the two ways you can get this quality. Yeah, emotional environment means good moral environment, कुछ अच्छा शिक्षा। देखना जो पापा आई यू हैव ऑब्जर्व कि चिल्ड्रन जो पापा मम्मी जैसे बातचीत करते हैं बच्चे भी उसका नकल करते हैं, बिकॉज इमोशनल एनवायरमेंट इज नीडेड। If parents are nice talking, children also talk nice. If parents are rough, children also talk rough. So better we need good atmosphere also. And trained in certain ways by figure of authority. I inherited honesty and self-discipline from my father. Yeah, self-discipline, honesty, पापा से अच्छा गुण अब्दुल कलाम से कि father was good, children was good. Yeah, child was good. From my mother, I inherited faith in goodness and deep kindness, and so did my three brothers and sisters. From the mother, what Abdul Kalam learned? Faith in good, अच्छे कामों में विश्वास, and deep kindness, दया, to show kindness to others. Just like uh, how many outsiders they come to Abdul Kalam's house, his mother served everyone. It's called generosity and kindness, and these things learned from his mother. Okay, I had three close friends in my childhood: Ramanatha Shastri, Aravindan, and Shiva Prakasam. Three, and these boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin family. Now Abdul Kalam was Muslim, and we are three from Orthodox Brahmin family. Orthodox means those who strictly follow their rules and regulation of the religion. They are called Orthodox. Okay. As children, none of us ever felt any difference among ourselves because our religious differences and upbringing. Now they have no feelings that we are Hindu or Muslim or the high caste or low caste or different caste. They have the good mutual understanding, good friendly they are living, very nice life they had. Yeah. In fact, Ramanatha Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, the high priest of the Rameswaram temple. या रामेश्वरम टेम्पल का बड़े पुरोहित प्रीस्ट उसका बेटा है। मीन्स फिर भी कितना प्यार से दोनों हिंदू मुस्लिम मिल के रहते हैं। इट वॉज द बेस्ट एग्जाम फॉर इंडियन द राइट्स एंड कम्युनल डिफरेंसेस। जब झगड़ा होता है धर्म के लिए, ये लेसन बहुत ही प्यारा है कि आपस में मिल के रहना कितना अच्छा है। लेट्स सी लेटर ही टूक ओवर द priesthood of the Rameswaram temple. Now after, sometimes in India father's job is done by children, son, just like especially in the priest, पूजा पाठ पापा का ड्यूटी बेटा ही करता है। लेट्स सी, तो हियर Ramanatha Shastri became the priest after his father's job was over. He took over the priesthood of the Rameswaram temple from his father. Aravindan, one of the friend Aravindan, went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Means जो यात्री pilgrims, those who go for religious journey, he arranged the transport, means जाने आने के लिए सुविधा करना, transport department he did in there. Okay, and Shiva Prakasam became a catering contractor. Catering means food service contractor. Yeah, for the Southern Railway. रेलवे में खाना पीना परोसने का ये contractor ठेकेदार बना. Okay. So these are the three friends, different jobs. Now what he faced the childhood he now narrates in this story. Let's discuss 5 number paragraph. During the annual Sri Sitarama Kalyana ceremony. Now it is the Hindu festival. सीता राम का शादी का जो स्टोरी है वहाँ पर मुस्लिम कैसे अच्छे से उनका सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ वेरी नाइस स्टोरी. Our family used to arrange boats with a special platform for the carrying idols of the Lord Rama, Lord from the temple to the marriage site. समन तालाब के अंदर बोट से रामा का स्टेचू को लेके मूर्ति को लेके उन लोग तालाब में जाते हैं सीता विवाह के लिए. देखिए व्हाट इज इट्स ब्यूटीफुल साइट situated in the middle of the pond called Rama Tirtha, which was near our house. This type of festival they have in this area, so it's very interesting, and Abdul Kalam also involved in this program. Events from the Ramayana And from the life of Prophet Muhammad and Ramayana, Hindu story and Muslim story, yeah, both together, were the bedtime story. Bedtime is sleeping time stories. My mother and grandmother, मेरे मम्मी और दादी माँ, yeah, grandmother would tell the children in our family. They like to listen. The two different religions, two epic stories. They like to listen. Okay. 6 number paragraph. One day, when I was in the fifth standard at the Rameswaram, yeah, when I was studying in the fifth standard, 5 class पढ़ रहे थे. Yes, in the Rameswaram Elementary School. School name is Rameswaram Elementary School. Yeah, I remember a new teacher came to our school. The teacher was unknown about this society. I used to wear a cap which marked me as a Muslim. Abdul Kalam's, क्योंकि some religion by wearing we know their what religion, like Muslim they have the different cap. Punjabi, the Sikh religion, they have different type of beard and turban. In the different religion, different types of appearance. Now we can know, and I always sat in the front row next to Ramanatha Shastri. You know Ramanatha Shastri is Brahmin and Muslim, Abdul Kalam Muslim, both together, sitting together, who wore the sacred thread that is the symbol of Muslim, Hindu and Brahmin, Orthodox Brahmins. Okay, the new teacher could not stomach means could not tolerate the feelings, the bitter feelings of the religious bar. To a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy, with the feelings of religion, distinguish between the Hindu and Muslim. Okay, in accordance with, means agreement, harmony with our social ranking, as a new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit in the back bench. Now the teacher had the feelings that the Hindu and Muslim should not sit together. The Muslim boy, means Abdul Kalam, should go back and sit there. That hurt the feelings of Abdul Kalam. I felt very sad. Definitely, they have the good friendship and they have no feelings of religion. And so did Ramanatha Shastri. दोनों खराब लगा. He looked utterly downcast. Downcast means sad. He also dislike because this type of treatment is not good. As I shifted to my seat in the last row, the image of him weeping. Him means Ramanatha Shastri also dukhi hai, ro raha hai. When I shifted to the last row, left a lasting impression on me. It is the feelings of religion and feelings of discrimination between the caste and religion. और दोनों को खराब लगा. After school, दोनों घर गए. 7th paragraph. We went home and told our respective parents about the incident that new teacher came and make me sit in the back side. Abdul Kalam told. This is a very hot feeling. Lakshmana Shastri summoned the teacher. Who is Lakshmana Shastri? Aravind Ramanatha Shastri's father. He came and summoned the teacher, and in our presence, means Abdul Kalam and Ramanatha Shastri's presence, told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality, poison. समाज में ऐसे ही जहर नहीं डालना है. And communal intolerance in the minds of innocent child, means धर्म को लेके भेदभाव रख के छोटे बच्चों में जो इस तरह का चीज डालना, it's not good. His father rebuked. He bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. Now he told that either you excuse for this or leave this place better. Not only did the teacher regret his behavior, but the strong sense of conviction Lakshmana Shastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher. Not only changed not only he regret for his fault, the teacher, but the teacher conveyed means managed to ultimately reform the young teacher. Means the new teacher changed his behavior, changed his lifestyle, changed his activity. Yes, my dear student, we see how their attitude and behavior changed. 8th paragraph, let's see. On the whole, a small society of Rameswaram was very rigid in terms of segregation of different social groups. Now, in Rameswaram, different types of people were there. Hindu, Muslim, different caste. The small society of Rameswaram is a small town, was very rigid in terms. Rigid means very strong, strict. Terms of segregation means separation of different social groups. However, my science teacher, Shiva Subramania Iyer, though an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife, उनका टीचर भी ब्राह्मीण है, साइंस टीचर, लेट्स सी, was something of a rebel. Yeah, wife, sometimes ladies person have the different understanding and the uh, husband has different understanding. Let's see what the incident here, let's discuss here. He did his best to break social barriers. He means साइंस टीचर. समाज में जो धर्म को लेके भेदभाव छुआछूत था, उसको लेके जो साइंस टीचर कैसा ही चेंज किया, इन दिस पैराग्राफ वी शैल डिस्कस. ही डिड हिज बेस्ट टू ब्रेक सोशल बैरियर्स. समाज में जो बंधन है कि ए डिफरेंट कास्ट, डिफरेंट रिलीजन, ही ब्रोक दिस चेन. ओके, so that people from varying backgrounds could mingle, means intermix easily, means no feelings of different caste and religion. Yeah, this was the good message to the today's scenery. Till now, those who are village and ignorant area, they have feelings of caste, and these things should not be. Okay, he used to spend hours with me, who science teacher, as Hindu, he's strict Hindu and Muslim, and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities, that I will make you so much good educated person, I will make you so smart, so top in the rank, that you will be in the high city in the future. Okay, the good positive thinking of science teacher Shiva Subramania Iyer to Abdul Kalam. Okay, 9th paragraph. One day he invited me to his home for a meal. Now, he called him for the meal. Okay, then what happened? His wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited to dine in her ritual pure kitchen. उसकी वाइफ जो थी प्योर ब्राह्मीण फॉलोअर्स, क्योंकि ब्राह्मीण जो रहते हैं और दूसरे जात अन्य धर्म के लोग को घर में और किचन में जाकर घुसाते नहीं हैं. वहाँ पर उसको बहुत फीलिंग्स लगा कि ये मुस्लिम लड़का कैसे हमारे किचन में घुसा देंगे. Let's see. She refused to serve me in her kitchen. किचन में खाना परोसने के लिए तो मना ही कर दी. उसकी वाइफ so strict that I will not allow my house to any other religion person to serve food. Okay. Shiva Subramania Iyer was not perturbed, means disturbed. Okay. Nor did he get angry with his wife. My dear, किसी ऊपर गुस्से में आके कोई मैटर को सॉल्व नहीं करके, patience. If you have patience, you can change a person. One of the moral you can learn from the chapter. किसी ऊपर तुरंत ही भड़क नहीं भड़क के धीरज के साथ काम लीजिए, हर चीज समय के अनुसार सुधर जाता है. He did not get angry with his wife, but instead served me with his own hands. Yeah, and her husband served Abdul Kalam and sat down beside me to eat his meal. Oh, his wife watched us from behind the kitchen door. उसकी पत्नी दूर से किचन डोर के पीछे से देख रही है, क्या हो रहा है. I wonder whether she had observed any difference in the way I ate rice. शायद उसकी पत्नी देख रही है कि ये जो मुस्लिम कैसा अलग खा रहा है, अलग वो सब झांक रही है. I ate rice, drank water, or cleaned the floor. After the meal, everything. Wife of Shiva Subramania was observing. Let's see, when I was leaving his house, Shiva Subramania Iyer invited me to join him for another dinner. Again, the next weekend, the last day of the week, Saturday, told that next week also he come. Yeah, observing my hesitation. Next, after 7 days, because wife was disliking, avoiding the feelings of religion, and she did not permit him to enter to the house. That's why definitely anybody will hesitate to go. But what happened? He told me not to get upset, saying, once you decide to change the system, yeah, such problems have to be confronted. Problems have to be changed. You have to take risks. If you do labor, everything will change. When I visited his house the next week, Shiva Subramania Iyer's wife took me inside her kitchen. In the second time, when Abdul Kalam came to his house, wife was totally changed. First time he ignored that I will not serve. I is a Muslim boy. I will not give food. Is very means untouchability and etc. But here wife serve Abdul Kalam. Patience page. Yeah. So Abdul Subramania's IS wife took me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. Yeah, very nice. Last part of this chapter, last paragraph we have to discuss, 10 and 11 number. Then the Second World War over, in the year 1945, and India's freedom was imminent, means sure, inevitable, means sure the India will get freedom, because the history. Let's see, India will build their own India, declared Mahatma Gandhi. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Optimism is not given priority, means too much. Optimism is the goodwill. Optimism is the good luck that India will get freedom. They are happy. I asked my father for permission to leave Rameswaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram, the district headquarters. From this small town to the district headquarters, I asked that I have to study for the further study in different place. Yes, then what the reply? He told me, Abdul Kalam's father told me. Abdul Kalam, as if thinking aloud, उसके पापा का सोच देखिए. Abdul, I know you have to go away to grow. या आगे बढ़ने के लिए तुमको घर छोड़ना है और आगे को जाना है. To develop you, to grow. Does a seagull not fly across the sun alone? क्या seagull, one of the bird which fly in the water, some seashore, not fly across the sun, सूरज तक मतलब बहुत ऊंचा उठता है. Alone means अकेला, वो कोई फीलिंग नहीं आता है कि मैं परिवार फैमिली को छोड़ा हूँ. या विदाउट नेस्ट, विदाउट द फैमिली. एक चिड़िया अगर फैमिली को छोड़ के अगर सूरज तक उड़ सकता है, ऊपर को जा सकता है. फॉर योर सेक आई हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस माई सेल्फ दैट माई सन will improve, means I have to tolerate. You can imagine how good father Abdul Kalam had. He quoted Khalil Gibran to my aged mother. Yeah, he means father, which example देके quoted means taken some dialogues of Khalil Gibran to my aged mother, means some मम्मी थोड़ा शर्माती थी या थोड़ा हिचकिचाती थी, ये सब के लिए उसको समझा रहे हैं. क्या your children are not your children, means parent gave birth, that is not sufficient. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. Lifelong means life's struggling. Longing means to gain, to suffer a lot to get something. जीवन की संग्राम के लिए वो लोग पैदा हुए हैं. Yeah, they are not only your child, they come through you. तुम means you have given birth. Yeah, but not from you. लेकिन तुम्हारे से नहीं है. क्या? You may give them your law, but not your thoughts. Parents, they can give them the law to the children. अपना विचार नहीं देना है, क्योंकि बच्चा अपने क्वालिटी के अनुसार, according to his own talent, he had to build his own life. Yeah, not your thoughts. Good line. Parent give you law, but not their thought. Their thought and your thought may be something different. Yeah, जरूरी नहीं कि your father is an artist, that means you will be artist. Your father is a carpenter, then you will be carpenter. Maybe different thought, different type of job. So we cannot uplift our own thought, for they have their own thoughts. The great line. Yeah, that is in one quality, and parents also should understand the child's quality and to deal with according to this situation. There is the way extract from the Wings of Fire, the short part. If you would like to study more, you can go through the Wings of Fire whole book and to know more details. And I hope you, whatever I have discussed, you this short biography of Abdul Kalam in a childhood, what the things should happen, read the lesson and practice it, and hope you to meet you in the next online classes. Okay, so take care of. Thank you and goodbye.